Hello friends, welcome you all once again on my channel, and today in this video we are doing a new exercise, and in this exercise we change the positive sentence into negative. Yes friends, and each and every sentence is different, so in each sentence we apply a different grammatical rule. So please be careful, don't skip any sentence, and please watch the complete video. Okay, so in this video we are going to do the first sentence, that is, first of all we read the question. Mettez les phrases au négatif. It means put the sentences into negative. Yes friends, so now we take the first sentence. Ce sont des haricots verts. It means these are some green beans. Yes, they gives the sense of some. Yes, and before doing this kind of exercise we just recognize the verb and then we answer in French. So before doing this kind of exercise, please make the sentences in your mind and then write in French. So here sont is a verb which is the conjugation of être verb. Être means to be, is mr. So the answer will be ce ne sont pas des haricots verts. Yes, to make the negative sentence we use a word that is ne pas. Yes, we use the word, two words, ne pas. Okay, and we put the verb in between ne pas. So the sentences is ce ne sont pas des haricots verts. Yes, my friends, these are not the green beans. Yes, ce sont means these are, those are. Very good. Okay, next is est-ce qu'il y a un jardin? It means is there a garden? So to change the sentence we just put y and a in between na and pa, because in French there are 6 vowels. Yes friends, y is also a vowel in French, so we also put this in between na and pa. Here a, I mean a, is a verb. It's a conjugation of avoir verb, has, have. Okay, so we put that in between na and pa. Est-ce qu'il y a un jardin? It's an interrogative sentence, so the negative is est-ce il n'y a pas un jardin, right? Yes, est-ce il n'y a pas un jardin? It means is there not any garden? So this way we can change this into negative. Very good. And here we use contraction method because here we find two vowel next to each other, and in this situation we replace first vowel by an apostrophe, right? So we write an apostrophe y. Yes. Okay, next is lisez-vous le journal? Do you read the newspaper? Yes, and here we apply different grammatical rule. Here is one more thing. Here the subject is pronoun, so we put the subject also in between na and pa. Yes, friend. So the sentence would be ne lisez-vous pas le journal? Don't you read the newspaper? Journal means newspaper. So you can change the sentence now. Here lise is a verb and here they have used inversion method. Yes, it means first we write verb and then subject. Yes, so here we can write ne lisez-vous pas le français? Ne lisez-vous pas le journal? Yes, it means don't you read the newspaper? Ne lisez-vous pas le journal? And question mark should be there. Okay, the next is fourth one sentence. Les amis de mon frère viennent chez nous. It means the friends of my brother are coming at my place or at my home. Here viennent is the verb. Yes friends, first we have to find out the verb conjugation and then we write in French. So viennent is a conjugation of any verb. It means to come and it's a irregular verb, right? So now we can change the sentence. Les amis de mon frère, les amis de mon frère ne viennent pas chez nous. Yes, les amis de mon frère ne viennent pas chez nous. Yes. Okay, it means the friends of my brother are not coming at our place. C'est excellent. Very good. Okay, now the last one is fifth sentence. Elle prend du thé. It means she takes tea or some tea. Yeah, du means some. It's a contracted article, right? But here, be careful. In negative sentence, we don't use a contracted article. So in place of du, we write de. Okay, it means while changing negative sentence, while changing into negative sentence, we replace du by de. And prendre is a conjugation of prendre verb. It's a, yes, it means to take. So prendre means to take and It's a, yeah, irregular verb. It's you can say RE category verb. Okay, so now we can answer this. Now we can write in negative. Elle ne prend pas de thé. Correct. Elle ne prend pas de thé. She does not drink the tea. Okay, friends, that is all about for this video. Okay, friends, this is all for this video, and I hope you like this video. If you find it really helpful, please share it with your friends, and please send us a message on comment box. If you have any doubt, we will happy to respond you. And please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching the video.